So today before going to a class, so this week portion, okay, this week study portion. So in new pathway book, lesson 2, you want to study the meanings, opposite and verb form. Okay, ma, have you understood? Please study the meanings, opposite, verb form and another one, frame sentence. Okay, so there is only one frame sentence in the lesson 2. Okay, so you will please study Roman letter 1, Roman letter 2, Roman letter 3 and Roman letter 4 from lesson 2. Okay, ma. So I will give the study portion in the WhatsApp group. So don't forget. Okay. So have you finished studying lesson 1? Yes. Okay, very good. I hope you have finished studying. Okay. So good. Okay. So in the next, okay, from today onwards, please start studying lesson 2. Okay, ma. Next, your homework. Okay. So many students have got correction up to page number 2 in a casual writing book, isn't ma? Okay. So next this week, okay, homework is page number 3. Okay, your casual writing book, page number 3. Have you understood, ma? Yes. Okay. So study portion is lesson 2 from new pathway book. So how many Roman letter? How many Roman number, ma? 1, 2, 3 and 4 up to frame sentence. Okay, ma? Don't forget. Okay. So in the last class, what did we learn, ma? The last class, what did we learn? We have learnt meanings, opposite and verb form from lesson 2, is it? Yes. Sorry, Tara. It is very easy to read, ma. Yes. Okay. So I hope it is very easy, isn't ma? Okay. So what is the title of the lesson 2? What is the title of the lesson 2, ma? Bambi, isn't ma? Bambi. So Bambi is a small deer, isn't? Okay, so I hope you have understood and you have thorough in the story, isn't? Okay, so today in the class we are going to learn the frame sentence and answer the following. Okay, from lesson 2, frame sentence and answer the following. Today we are going to learn. Okay, so are you interested in learning? Yes? Shall we start? Yes, ma? Okay. So, I'll take your English classwork note in a hand. So, students, have you copied your lesson 2 in your booklet? English classwork booklet. Have you copied? Yes? Okay. So, many students have got correction also. Yes, those who didn't get correction, those who didn't copy your notes in your booklet, please copy it soon and coming Saturday, come and get correction, okay? Okay, don't forget, okay? So, today shall we start? Okay, so take your English classwork note in a hand and open, okay? Open your note and take lesson 2. Take lesson 2, ma? Yes? Okay, so today frame sentences in, we have, in the last class we have learned up to verb form. So today Roman letter 4 frame sentence, okay. So now you look at the frame sentence. Have you seen? Okay, so there is only one question in the frame sentences in, okay. So the first question is terrified, okay. Terrified. Read, ma. Terrified. T-E-R-R-I-F-I-E-D, okay. Terrified. So what is the meaning of terrified, ma? What is the meaning of terrified? Terrified means fear, okay. You know what is the meaning of fear, isn't? Fear means, some person is very afraid, isn't? So that is the meaning of terrified, okay. So the meaning of terrified is fear. So do you have fear? Yes? Yes, everybody have fears, isn't? Somebody will have fears in the studies, isn't? If you didn't study, okay, if a teacher is asking questions, so those who didn't study students, what they will be? They will be in fear, isn't? So that is the meaning of terrified, okay. So what is the meaning of terrified, ma? Terrified means fear, F-E-A-R, okay, fear. So look at the words, okay, look at the sentence of terrified. So shall I read the sentence? Okay. The child is terrified of heights. Okay, the child is terrified of heights. So from the sentence, what did you understand, ma? So if we take a human beings, some persons will be very height, isn't ma? Yeah, some person will be very tall and some will be very short. Okay, so many persons will be terrified because of their height, isn't ma? Yes, terrified means fear. So many persons will be terrified because of the height. Okay, so that is the meaning of this sentence. Okay, so the child, okay, one small child is, okay, terrified. One small child is being fear of its height. Okay, so that is the sentence. Okay, so once again I am reading the sentence. Listen. The child is terrified of heights. Okay, the child is terrified of heights. Okay, ma? So have you understood the frame sentence? So hereafter can you learn? Okay, so next Roman letter 5, answer the following. Okay, ma? Roman letter 5, answer the following. Okay, so students, have you copied the questions in your booklet? So question is in the page number 30. So some of the students in the last Saturday, some of the students what they have written, no? What just I have said that question, refer page number 30. Okay, so students, they also written that question, refer page number 30. You want to write a question here. Okay, ma, the question is in page number 30. So you want to write a question here. Okay, you want to, okay, see, open your new pathway book and you want to take page number 30. In that page there is a question for lesson 2. Okay, so please copy the question. Okay, so I am reading the question. Listen. First question. Okay, why was Bambi puzzled and terrified when he understood that it was man calling him? Okay, once again I am repeating the question. Why was Bambi puzzled and terrified when he understood that it was man calling him? Okay, so have you understood the question, ma? So in the story itself we have learned Bambi, at the end of the story what happened? Yeah, Bambi is in fear, isn't? Yeah. So why this? Okay, the question is explaining that why this Bambi became fear. That means why this Bambi became terrified. Okay, when the man called, that means when, yeah, when the Bambi understood that the man calls him, why this Bambi became terrified. Okay, that is the question. Okay, ma. So can you say why this Bambi? Okay, when the Bambi, at the end of the story only, Bambi understood that, yeah, the man called him, isn't? So who is that man? Who is that man, ma? Yeah, that man is a hunter. That means a man who kills the animals, isn't? Okay, so when the Bambi saw that man, suddenly Bambi became afraid, isn't? That means Bambi became terrified, isn't? So why? Why? So in the beginning itself, in the beginning of the story, we have learned that Bambi thought that feline is in danger, isn't ma? Bambi thought that feline, yeah, feline is calling this Bambi. So Bambi is running. So at the end of the story only Bambi understood that man is calling him. Okay. So by seeing the man, this Bambi became terrified. Okay. This is the answer. Okay, ma, have you understood? Okay, so listen, I am reading the answer, ma. Okay, shall I start to read? Okay, I am reading the answer. When Bambi understood that it was actually man calling him, he was puzzled and terrified. So what is the meaning of terrified? Yeah, terrified means fear. Okay, because till he see him, he was quite sure that it was feline who was calling him. Okay, so you know that Bambi thinks that feline is calling him, isn't? So did feline call Bambi? No, isn't? Man called him. So at the end of the story, when Bambi understood that man calls him, okay, So it was very afraid. Okay, so that is the answer. So once again I am repeating the answer. Listen, ma. Shall I read? Okay. So students, all see your booklet. Okay. Okay. When Bambi understood that it was actually man calling him, he was puzzled and terrified because till he see him, he was quite sure that it was feline who was calling him. Okay, so have you understood, ma? Okay, so whether the first question is easy? Yes? Yeah, it is very easy, no? Okay, so start studying the first question. Okay, ma? So next, second question. Look at the second question. So the second question also, those who didn't finish the question, okay, please look at the book and finish your question. Okay, ma? So first I am reading the question. Listen. Why do you think the old stag did not wait to be thanked? Okay, ma? Once again I am repeating. Why do you think the old stag did not wait to be thanked? So who is this old stag, ma? Who is this old stag? So in the character list we have learned. Who is this old stag? Yeah, old stag means old deer, isn't it? So old deer means one of the old deer in the forest. Okay. So at the end of the story, so Bambi understood that this old deer saved this Bambi, isn't it? So did Bambi thank this old deer, ma? No, he didn't thank, isn't? But he went to thank, isn't? So whether this old stag wait for thanking? No, it didn't wait, isn't? So why? What happened to the old stag? Okay, why this old stag didn't wait to be thanked? Okay, so that we are going to learn in this question. Okay, ma? So have you understood the question? Okay, so shall I read the answer? Okay, ma. The old stag was a noble creature and his only aim is to save Bambi. Okay. So in the story itself we have learned. So the old deer is the only aim, isn't it? Old deer took many steps to save this Bambi, isn't it? Yeah. And teach him to be alert always. Okay. So what is mean by alert, ma? What is mean by alert? Alert means we want to be bold, okay? We want to be every time we want to be bold, okay? So that is mean by alert, okay? So this old deer taught Bambi to be alert always so that he could protect himself and others, okay? So students, when we are very bold, we can protect us and others, isn't ma? Yes? So when we are in fear, whether we can protect us? No, isn't? We will always be very afraid and we won't come out, isn't? We will face every danger. So when we are alert in every situation, we can protect us and others, okay? So that only this old deer teach for this Bambi. Have you understood, ma? Yeah, we want to be alert every day. So when we are alert, we can protect us and others. Okay, so that only this Bambi teach for this old deer. Okay, ma? So that is the answer. Okay, so once again I am repeating the answer, ma. Listen. The old stag was a noble creature and his only aim is to save Bambi and teach him to be alert always so that he could protect himself and others. Okay, ma? So have you understood the second question? Whether the second question is easy? Yeah, very easy, isn't ma? Okay, so start studying, okay? Okay, students, now you see here. So, are you thorough with lesson 2? So, I have given the notes, is it? Okay, so your book back exercise, I will give it tomorrow, okay ma? I will give it tomorrow. Your new pathway lesson 2 book back exercise, okay? So, what is the study portion I have given today? Yeah, lesson 2, meanings, opposite, verb form and friend sentence. Okay, so it's very easy, ma. Don't think. Okay, so don't think the question is okay somewhat big. Okay, don't think that it is very easy. Okay, just you take every day half an hour to study English. Okay, ma. Yes. Okay, so just you take every day half an hour to study English, and just don't forget your books. Okay, please read your books and improve your reading skills. Improve your reading skills and improve your knowledge. Okay, ma. Okay, so don't forget your homework this week. Which page number in your cashew writing, ma? Yeah, page number 3. Okay, ma. So students, when you are writing cashew writing, please see the letters correctly and write neatly. Okay, so some students have got correction last Saturday, so their handwriting is not neat, and okay, they are putting many mistakes. Okay, so when you are writing cashew writing, please write carefully. Okay, ma, write neatly. And one more thing, don't use pen in your cashew writing book. Okay, use pencil in your cashew writing. And another one thing, when you are writing notes, don't scribble anything. Okay, ma, when you are writing notes, don't scribble anything. Write neatly. Okay, ma. So many students have something written something. Don't do like that, ma. Okay, so write neatly and come and get correction on Saturday. Okay. Okay, so today shall we end the class? Okay, so don't forget your study portion and don't forget your homework. Okay. Okay, so be safe with your family. We can meet in the next class, ma. Thank you.